Now I'm going to share my screen and show you most interesting fun for today. In fact, where are all the things, because finally what I wanted to wrap up for this today's session, next another 5 minutes. Okay, now let me open my browser. Write down, my dear friends, scientificstudents.com, scientificstudents.com, because this is a wonderful website which I prepared, almost worked for nearly 10 hours a day for 10 long years, from 2010, 2010 to 2020. So here my Godfather link is there. You see here my Godfather link. Someone, okay. Note down, very important, very interesting. Scientificstudent.com/godfather.html. I request all of you to visit, because there are so many things. I spent nearly 2.5 months, because Pawan sent me few books also. So folders all. Okay, my dear friends, once again, to prepare this particular page, I spent 2.5 months, because I collected a lot of information. And here is a video gallery. So my godfather celebrated Michael Faraday's birthday once at Birla Science Center at Hyderabad. He also came and demonstrated in Bangalore also. So hopefully my godfather's wife, my Pawan's mother, might be there in Bangalore or in US. I don't know exactly where she is now, but I need to find it out. But if you click on to this particular page, where you will see a playlist, I request all of you to watch this particular video clips of today, because Pawan sent me a VHS tape, and then I converted the information from that tape and then digitized them into MPEG-2 and uploaded to my YouTube channel. I have my YouTube channel with a few thousands of science videos. You can always browse my channel called Scientific Student. If you go to YouTube and just without any gap in between, if you type Scientific Students, you will see me, and click on me, and you will see all my thousands of science videos are there. Okay, I've shared here about a lakh and of science experiment photos in my Picasa, and also thousands of videos in YouTube. Okay, so see, now to respect my godfather, there is particular videos are there here. I request all of you. I'll share another VHS tape, more subject knowledge later, but at this point of time, one wonderful, because every time whenever he is demonstrating, he used to play this. Just for 10 seconds.
Oh, genius.
Oh, genius.
Oh, genius. Each night and day, we remember you.
Oh, genius.
Faraday,
Michael
Michael
Faraday.
Faraday, Michael Faraday.
So every time before he start his demonstration, he did near about 6,000 demonstrations, my dear friend. So the reason today I celebrated his 89th birthday, because I got so much of inspiration from his demonstration once I experienced at IIT entrance examination training point at Hyderabad. Okay, now power went off, but don't worry, because I have another alternative method here. Just give me one. So I made some alternative arrangements, so nothing to worry about all that. So I have a UPS for all my these particular equipments, but this particular spotlight to demonstrate some various other stuff and all. So instead I go for all that. I just said, okay, you'll understand much about. Okay, so what is that I'm talking about? Godfather's particular thing. So he went all the near about, he visited more than 100 countries and then demonstrated more than 6,000 after his retirement. So at that time, actually no much of internet at all, no internet at all, because I know for sure, because I worked as routing internet via satellites and all my expertise area, which I did in 99 and 2000. So in 97, 95, at that time there's no internet in India, though we just heard about it in other countries and all, but though without having all that, he did such a great work and made the students, even in India, for engineering colleges and then +2 and high schools, various places. That's where once again, if I show you the particular the reason, I want to connect you again back to the particular page here. Let me go back to the videos too. You just yeah, Godfather page, and then if you click on appreciation letters, because Pawan sent me feedback letters from various schools, a big file. The reason I'm talking about all that, I read all of them, and then I have not found, a similar letter from all the different hundreds of letters. So that's why I scanned all of them. So maybe some of them are from Bangalore also. I request all of you to just click on this. And anywhere, if you click on the letter at the top, and then the PDF file of that particular scanned page will come out. That and all I did to respect. And but though my interaction is very little, my dear friends, the reason today I'm feeling, I always prayed that, this country, I must have that kind of people many more. But the kind of work he developed at his home and home lab, though he worked professionally in particular his BHL R&D labs and all, but he did a great work. Some cities, some schools like Vijayawada, I came to know one college invited him, fortunate at the time. Similarly, I don't know how many of them, but after I uploaded this particular content and all, there are few people who have contacted me, and because of recently one particular manager contacted me from Bank of America, and he said because of his one day's lecture to me that I became such a great universal personality of this globe. So why is that I'm sharing all that? India is a Vishwaguru, okay, once upon a time. Now, I don't know last, but this is once again a high time for all of us to become again Vishwaguru for a whole universe. That is possible. That's where Guru Parampara must be continued. That's where I said, okay, let me stop working for myself because the kind of lakhs of money I get for my experience and all doesn't matter if I stop working. So let me work for my Lakshya, not Lakshya, okay? So that's where it's almost now 10 years I'm working very much in depth for all of you students all across the state and nation. So those who are interested to meet me, and they can always send me a message, WhatsApp message, and then I can get back to them and I can share the research for what are all the kind of questions they have. So let us work in a practical manner, my dear young friends of India, young genius of India. You all will be makers of India. So that's where I always say India is required because why? Now last point for today, in my childhood, all made in Japan. So almost for 15-20 years now, made in China, made everywhere, every country made in China, made in China. But now today we have massive problem. That it is a high time, it is the most important time for all of us to make it happen. Made in India, make in India. Okay, so how do we do all that? That's only possible, my dear children, that if you read and understand, imagine and question yourself and raise your creativity and critical thinking with a common sense application all together, then only it is possible for our India to become, I means not only intellectuals, I means it is innovative and innovative India towards productive India. Then it is going to rule the globe. Then that's going to help you, my dear friends. Once again, Vishwaguru. That is what is a great dream of our beloved Prime Minister of India. So let's happen it. So we are all part of that, our government and ourselves and we, our education system, and let's make it very practical. And last but not least, but however, I must thank to my best friend, Mr. H.S. Kiran Kumar. He is a senior most mentor of our Atal Tinkering Labs at Atal Innovation Mission of Karnataka, and he's because of him I learned so many things. Because of him I learned so many things. Okay, at the same time, that's Niti Aayog, National Institute of Transforming India. So there are so many national institutes, but this is a wonderful institute that is transforming India. So you all have to be part of that. How do you do all that? So by tinkering. So I must say that today we all enjoyed the basics of electric, and I also asked you so many questions about electric. And I tried my level best to raise your curiosity in understanding and enjoying with electricity. Okay, so right from my childhood, I keep on doing all that. I can help you. I developed many more, near 250 different designs for various solutions for all the regular social problems. They are all there. Here I can show you. Go to this particular scientificstudents.com and then Circuit Lab, CIRCUIT. My dear friends, Write down scientificstudents.com/circuitlab.html, CIRCUIT, circuitlab.html, because I'm not going to keep anything secret for my children. Okay, everything is open from my side because my children need to know because science is the truth and the fact. Truth cannot be kept. Okay, so here lot of things. So water level indicator and light activated switches and so many things, basics. Those, because whenever you wanted to do high funda things, you have to have the basic knowledge, very powerful. So I request all my students to get your fundas clear. Doesn't matter if you don't get an idea, doesn't matter, come to us, we are there. There are mentors, near about 5,000 mentors were sanctioned by Atal Innovation Mission Director Sri Ramanan. Okay, so so I think so through various mentors, that's a wonderful concept through Niti Aayog and Atal Innovation Mission, Atal Tinkering Labs at various schools. And let us all work together and let us greatly raise our tinkering activity, and we'll do what best we all can do together. Finally, my today's message is, if we work together, we win together, my dear friends. If we work together, we all win together. Okay. So make sure all the resources for the website, you can make sure use of all that. And then now I think I'm done from my side. So I request all of you to go through the Godfather's page and then see all the things about him and try to get inspired by the great personalities. Okay. If you Google Eureka, RSTV space Eureka. If you Google Eureka, that's a wonderful program designed by Rajya Sabha Television. If you just, because they're interviewing the great personalities of nation, eminent international scientists of every single national CSIR labs, they're interviewing, and they're all put onto YouTube. That is called Eureka, program Eureka. Okay. So what I request you all, or otherwise go to scientificstudent.com, click on student resources, click on get inspired by the great personalities. I also keep them there. Okay. So that is what is more important, taking inspiration and becoming an inspirational personality for the rest of the world. That is more interesting point. Okay, my dear friends, will you enjoy that way? Will you work together? Doesn't matter. And another point, most important point today I want to share with all of you. I really like Bangalore for one reason, because I have my tiny tinker, one Mr. Small kid, around 6 years kid. His name is Charvik. He's there in Bangalore. I always come to meet him once in a time. So I request all of you note down his name. Charvik. 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 I request you all to note down his name, because if you go on YouTube and if you put Charvik space science, Charvik space science, then you will see few videos uploaded by his mother, Alekia Deepika. Such a small kid prepared such a wonderful gadgets. I really get a lot of inspiration from him. Okay, so go through all that. Not that I'm comparing with such a small kid and all. Just make sure you all will get that kind of interest in making and coming up, because making is more important. That's why Children's Circuit Lab is not really reading and writing. It's all about making. Okay, so let's make and tinker the best and become an inspirational personalities of the universe. Okay, that Indians are very powerful brains. Only the thing they have, focus is missing. So I request all of you to add the quality of focus and make sure in a better direction, make use of all the subject knowledges in the best way. Try to understand the science and the engineering and the technology and try to interlink all of them. That's it. No one can stop you all, my dear friends. You can be a global personality in no time. Okay. I want all my students of this nation to be young achievers, because achieving after 40 doesn't really, that is not going to help. So I want to make sure my children will enjoy in less time, that is technology. Okay. So make sure. So I must thank my Kiran Kumar sir for connecting me all this today's session. So make sure that Bangalore is my town, though I'm near about 750 kilometers away. Though after pandemic times and all, physically I come to your schools and all, and those who are inviting me to your schools, I'll carry all my 250 different various my own tinkered projects, and make sure that every single student will know how to make all that, because that is my special activity, because you will gain a lot of confidence when you make the things. Okay, so ultimate my goal is, how do I raise my students' self-confidence and self-esteem. That is more important, my dear friends. So let us work with that. All the best. Take care. Bye.